I'm Dr. Rod King, and today I am going to talk about the magic TheaterBoard. This is an invention of mine which I intend to be using to present game-changing ideas at the dinner table. Many people have asked me why I invented this board. Well, I have been having many game-changing ideas, and people have suggested to me that I present these ideas at a TED Talk or at a TED Conference. But given the bureaucracy of these organizations, I am not really encouraged to go through several months to present ideas, as I keep having them as fast as I can and I can hardly keep up with them. So I decided to create this board which will allow me to present my ideas at any time and in an atmosphere that is relaxed and convenient for me, as well as immersive. So this is the magic TheaterBoard. It has a structure like a tic-tac-toe board, which means it has three horizontal panels and also three vertical panels. I have decided to use the metaphor of a roof so that we can see the tree structure, a roof, the superstructure, and the foundation. Right now you cannot see the foundation. It is below the body or superstructure of the theater, but before the end of this presentation I shall show it. Horizontally there are three panels. You have the west wing, you have the center stage, and then you have the east wing. So this is how I see that it is similar to a tic-tac-toe structure or a 3x3 matrix. The roof differs from a normal trifold board in that it is removable and you can use it to present headings and other information that you do not want to occupy center stage or so. You can use the east wing to present information. You can also use the west wing, and the center stage is used for presenting the main information. The magic TheaterBoard differs from ordinary surfaces that you would use for writing at a dinner table because it stands upright so that I can write on the board if I want to. The other thing is, unlike a traditional trifold board, you can prepare materials and put them there. An ordinary trifold board, which is used for science projects, have things pasted on them and you can hardly move them. But this one has a flexible structure. You can have prepared papers, ordinary paper, and like this one, which is a copy of a book that I wrote the front page, and this is an ordinary page, and you can just stick them on this board as if by magic. Also, you can do some special effects. For example, I talk about this area as being a center stage, and if I want to focus on the three parts of the body, I can remove this prepared page and you can reveal information. So this is the center stage. You can also remove this one and you can see that it has a previous writing. If I want, I could put more information there and you can see it, or I could reveal this here and show it as the east wing. So there are very interesting things that you can do with this, and I shall use it in future for presenting information. And before ending, I would like to show you another part of it which I had previously talked about, which is the foundation. Here you can put information that you want hidden, but later on you can reveal it. And the other thing is, you can also move papers from one area to another. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. For example, I can take this and I can put it here, and this is just an ordinary paper, or I can move it and put it in different places. So you can use prepared materials to present information. So you have a lot of flexibility horizontally and vertically. And for now, this is all that I have to present. It's the magic TheaterBoard, and I shall be using it to do my presentations of game-changing ideas. Thank you very much. Bye.